Hi, Professor uh, Lieberman, fellow classmates of CYB 525. Good evening, and thank you one more time for giving me the chance to do a presentation on cloud services. So, today I'll be presenting a slide showing how to migrate your data from on premises to a cloud environment. So, my presentation starts with the first slide, which is the open page, which is the opening page showing a presentation of cloud, showing cloud services presentation. Next, we go to the introductory, to the menu page, which shows us the introduction, type of services rendered in the cloud environment. Thirdly, we compare and contrast our local and cloud platforms. Next, we talk on virtualization. Then followed will be the cloud services, which are SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. Next follows will be our deployment models, cloud deployment models. Next, security, storage, and legal issues with cloud. Then finally, we go to our references. Introduction. Cloud refers to servers which can be accessed over the internet and application and data running on those servers according to Cloudflare. Types slash models of services in the cloud premise. So there are three cloud models: the public cloud, the private cloud, and the hybrid cloud. Next, we want to compare and contrast local and cloud resources. So for comparisons, both are vital in managing data centers. Both provide users with needed resources. Their differences are as follows. Cloud resources are more scalable. Cloud resources are more reliable. Cloud resources are less costly. Cloud environments are easier to maintain. We go to the next slide. Faster uptime for cloud services due to scalability during an incident. The next, we go to cloud security. Cloud security enforces policies and technology to protect data, ensure compliance, control access, and authentication. Cloud service providers share cloud security responsible with their customers. Virtualization. This is a process where a hardware permits its resources to be shared with multiple digital environments, source AWS. Depending on the hypervisor type, virtualization can use hardware operating systems type 1 or act as a guest type 2. Cloud services. According to Google Cloud, there are multiple cloud deployment services. Infrastructure as a service, which is IaaS. A service provider, in this case, service providers owns and provide the infrastructure while the customer purchases and manages the software. Platform as a service, which is PaaS. In this case, the service provider delivers and manages hardware and software for development, testing, and delivery. Software as a service, which is SaaS. In this case, the software is fully developed and provided to the customer by the cloud service provider, but it is managed by the cloud service provider. Deployment models. Public cloud deployment model delivers resources like storage, network, develop and deploy an application over the internet, and they are run by third-party vendors, e.g. Google. Private clouds are built, run, and used by a single organization and mostly operated on-site and provide greater control and security over data. Hybrid cloud, which is a combination of the two environments, and users leverage services and resources from both, but chooses which is optimal. Issues with cloud computing. Storage. The cost of storing applications and services in the cloud grows with time. Unused data also impact costs. Security concerns are always looming as migration and operation comes with inherent security risk. Privacy is a serious concern because personal information might be reached by unauthorized persons. However, strong data loss prevention methods are employed. Finally, we get to our reference pages. So all the materials that were listed in the slide, we have sources from AWS, Cloudflare, Flowers, under Tech Target, and Google Cloud. So that was the general presentation of the cloud services, and I remain your honorable colleague, classmate of CYB 525. Thank you all.